Hi everyone! Today, we will teach you how to solve a rational equation. First, what is a rational equation? A rational equation is an equation that involves fraction with variables in a denominator. Solving this type of equation is important because it helps us understand real-life situation involving division or distribution of quantities. Let's start!
This is our equation. The basic things we need to do here is to identify the denominator or the least common denominator. As you can see, we have the denominator of x, x squared, and 3x squared. Now, how are we going to identify LCD? The denominator are all monomial, and they have the same variable of x. So for the x variable, we need to get the variable with the high exponent, which is 2. Therefore, the LCD is x squared. Next is the coefficient. Here, we don't have a coefficient. It is only 1. But here, we have 3. So, we will copy 3. Therefore, the LCD of this entire equation is 3x squared. Once the LCD is determined, we multiply the entire equation by 3x squared to eliminate the denominator. Here's how it works. You need to divide the LCD to the numerator and multiply it to the numerator. 3x squared divided by x is 3x. Multiply by 1, the answer is 3x. Plus 3x squared divided by x squared is 3. Multiply by 2. So the answer is 6. 3x squared divided by 3x squared is 1. Multiplied by x plus 8 is x plus 8. Next, combine like terms by transposing. 3x minus x equals 8 minus 6. 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 2. You need to divide 2 to the both side. 2 divided by 2 is x is equal to, lowest term, the 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore, the x is 1. For checking the solution, replace all instances of x with the solutions obtained. Then, solve the equation to verify if the solution is correct. 1/1 plus 2/1 squared equals 1 plus 8 over 3 times 1 squared. 1 divided by 1 is 1 plus 2 divided by 1 is 2 is equal to 1 plus 8 is 9 over 3 times 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to, lowest term, the 9 over 3 is 3. Both sides are equal, so the solution is correct. The solution set is 1.
This is a summary of the step to solve a rational equation. Step 1. Identify the least common denominator or the LCD. Step 2. Multiply the LCD by the numerator and divide it by the denominator. Step 3. Combine like terms to solve for x. For checking, replace our instance of x with the solution obtained. Then solve the equation to verify if the solution is correct. The challenges you may encounter include dealing with undefined values when the denominator becomes 0, and identifying extraneous solutions that don't satisfy the original equation.